How did you know that was there? Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I am with Nico and the Clev. How are you today, sir? In the bush, of course. You all right? Yeah. Cinnamon, nice to see you. And Tango, my man. Nico, where are we going to today?
Pepe's.
Pepe's. What is Pepe's?
Pepe's is a Mexican restaurant in Fullerton.
Why'd you choose it?
Because they have dank breakfast burritos.
So it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you're after a breakfast burrito? I did do a little research about the place, so let's just get out of here and I'll tell everybody about it on the way. Before we go eat food, let's go see my buddy Bob. I want to introduce him. You'll love him. It hasn't been that long since we've seen Bob, so I don't expect him to have a bunch of stuff. I really want to introduce him to some of the people that we're with who haven't met him yet. Bob likes people. He doesn't say a whole lot, he's a little shy, but he does like people. Let's race this guy. As I was saying, I did do some research on the place that we're going, even though it wasn't my selection. It's all written down right here. So I'll get into that in a little bit. Let's go see Bob and enjoy the ride at first. And we'll kind of settle into things before I start telling you about shit, right? Right. All right, let's introduce you guys to Bob. Hello, Bob.
Bobby.
Bob.
What do we got going on here? We got something in there today? Oh, what is this? We got a slideroo.
Well, thanks for the frame slider, Bob. Is that all he's got?
That's all he's got. You know what? You want me to do the pulling today? Want me to do all the work? What do we got down there? What do we got down there, man?
I think we were just here last week. We might have... You need to be a little nicer to Bob.
No, I don't. He just screws us over every week. I literally dislocated his head.
Here, Bob. You can have that back. Have a Chaparral gift card. You know what I'm going to get? Look at this. We got the pineapple.
Those are gross.
Oh, smart. Bago. Bacon? Okay, well, you aren't the first to get that. Oh, hi, dog.
Did the dog bite me?
You're riling him up. Take it easy.
Did you like it?
Not really. Probably wouldn't get it again.
That was a wise selection. Bacon
Sent it
soda.
for the boys.
Done with our sodas? Nico, now what? It's burrito time. Now, you don't eat meat, right?
Well, you eat chicken.
Chicken? Chicken's the other meat, right?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like the same thing.
Are you going to get bacon? You eat bacon?
No.
How are you going to get a breakfast burrito without bacon?
I get a breakfast burrito without bacon. It's not that hard.
Breakfast burrito without bacon.
Yeah, man, what the?
I'm going to get California burrito and I'm going to get extra meat. I'm going to ask for your bacon in my burrito.
Good.
You guys eat meat, right?
Yeah, bacon.
Bacon?
Yeah.
Bacon?
Extra bacon.
Extra bacon. And you don't do steak either.
No red meat.
You're American?
Yeah. Through and through.
I got my eye on you, son. All right, you know how to get to this place?
It's off the 57.
I love doing that. I just love it. California burritos. You guys outside of California are missing out. You know what, now that I think about it, without a doubt, you probably get California burritos all over the place in all the other states, huh? I don't know, maybe. So California burritos, now that I bring it up, I am curious. Question, for all you guys that are outside the state of California that are watching this videos, have you ever had a California burrito in your state? I assume it's specifically a California thing, but I don't know. You guys tell me. I guess I should tell you what a California burrito is. Maybe you have it in your state, but it's called something different. A California burrito is typically made with an oversized flour tortilla, a bunch of steak, cheddar cheese, sour cream, sometimes guacamole, some salsa, and the most important ingredient of all, French fries, crispy French fries. Yeah, so you guys tell me if you can go to the Mexican restaurant and order that outside of the state of California, in your state specifically. It's a fancy car and a fancy little sidecar you got there. Excellent. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Pepe's. Pepe's is a family Mexican restaurant that was established in 1962 by 3 loyal brothers, Fred, Tony, and Joe. Pepe's was originally located in Alhambra. However, I'm not so sure that that location exists anymore. There are currently 4 locations, one in Anaheim, one in Brea, one in Downey, and the one we're going to today, Fullerton. This isn't a place that I discovered on my own. As I previously stated, it was Nico that found the place. According to him, they have the best breakfast burritos. And after doing my research, it turns out Nico might be right. This place has won all kinds of awards for having the best breakfast burrito. But that's not what I'm after today. I'm going for that California burrito. It's like 2 in the afternoon. He can have the breakfast burrito minus bacon, and I'll eat the California burrito. Looking at Yelp and some of the other review sites, this place is highly ranked. So I'm expecting greatness. That and I haven't eaten all day, so it better be good. We got Tango, oh shit, my man. I love those bikes. I do love them. Fullerton. I haven't been to Fullerton in so long. Shit. You taking a piss?
Seriously, we all stopped for that? Here we go!
How did you know that was there?
Oh, you got it.
Where did this thing come from?
Real talk, those tall stalks right there, they're about to go extinct. So
That's a good looking chicken.
yeah, it's the chicken roof. I smelled it from like a mile away.
Nico, there's your chicken.
Onwards.
Yes.
Well, I did my good deed for the day.
You rescued a chicken.
Save the Papa Chicken Roo. Let's get out of here.
You played with a cock and a chicken today. Wheelie time. I just get so excited for burritos that I just want to ride wheelies everywhere. I'm a little worried that my audio is going to be really shitty on the freeway. If it is, I'm sorry. The audio with this new setup is still a work in progress.
I don't know how to get there. You have directions?
It's all you. It's your destination.
Get there?
I'm following you, man.
I have no idea where I'm going.
It's your destination.
Alright.
He doesn't know where we're going. Guys, I really want to just choke my chicken right now. Choke that bitch. This way? It's pretty apparent Nico does know where we're going, but he doesn't know how to get there. So as a failsafe, I did put the directions into my phone, so we'll get there. So up there, see that little building up there? That's actually a restaurant. One of these days, I'm gonna take you there. Orange County Mining Company. Yeah. Dude, we'll eat there for sure. All right, to the white line. Who's in? I think we're almost there. Oh shit. There it is.
Hey, Papa Pepe, Delinquent.
We made it.
You can eat that since you're a vegan.
Pepe's 1962. Home of the world famous breakfast burrito. I actually had a playlist series in search of the best breakfast burrito, and this place never came up on any of my research. So I might have to come back with some of the people that we were doing that tour with and see what they think. So you brought us all the way to Pepe's, all the way to Fullerton for Pepe's. So what did you end up getting?
I got a breakfast burrito.
What'd you think?
I'll come back.
What about you? No? What did you end up getting?
I got chicken enchiladas, and I'm sorry, they were no bueno.
No go on the chicken enchiladas. Oh, okay, all right. What did you end up getting?
I got the puppy burrito.
Which was the California burrito.
It's a little bit better than Chuck E. Cheese, but Taco Bell, it's a lot better. So I'll be going there in 3 seconds.
So you probably won't be back?
No.
What about you, Mr. Tango?
Carne asada burrito.
Really? I got the California burrito. It wasn't the best California burrito I've ever had. There's lots of places by me that stand up to this. I didn't get the world famous breakfast burrito, so I'm gonna have to take your word for it. I probably won't ever come back and get it though, either.
Next time I'm picking.
Next time you're picking. All right. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Go over to Clev's channel. Check out what he's got to offer. Link in the description of the video. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. Each and every one of you guys are fully appreciated. I love you all. Huge shout out to all the channel sponsors. Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Make sure you support those companies. They keep this channel alive. And with that, I'll catch you guys later.
I was born in that
Here's your chicken, man. We're gonna ask them to put it on the grill and cook it up.